Hello, my name is Mariana Porta. I'm a teacher and researcher in Uruguay, Universidad de la República, and I'm presenting a work here that I'm going to share by sharing the screen. It is called Teacher Strategies for a Multimodal Teaching Model in Higher Education, and it is part in the context of a PhD program where Professor Regina Motz from Universidad de la República and Daniel Queiroz Lopez from Universidade Federal de Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil is the other tutor. Now, this Universidad de la República is currently the largest public university in the country, concentrating 77% of university students, and it's currently undergoing a decentralization process by means of regionalizing. And I'm currently working in this northeastern region of the country, which is formed by Cerro Largo, Tacuarembó, and Rivera as 3 departments, and it's borderlines with Brazil. It's characterized by being one of the least developed areas, socioeconomically speaking, with the highest vulnerability rate and the lowest achievements in terms of education. So having the University of the Republic established there has generated really high expectations. And there has been a very important focus on inclusion. So technology has come to be seen as a tool for facilitating inclusion. That's mainly the way technology has been observed in the different programs. Now, what I'm presenting here is an action research process, understanding action research as a cycle by which a problem is identified, a plan of action developed, then data are collected, analyzed, and this feeds into the process in order for adjustments to take place. Now, as part of the group that developed this program, implemented and coordinated the program so far, we have been involved in this cycle, and this is what I'm currently presenting. Now, the proposal is called Ciclo Inicial Optativo en el Área Social. It's a 1-year program for students who are entering higher education and who are interested in pursuing a career in the social sciences. The teaching model has been called multimodal and involving different combinations of face-to-face sessions, Moodle platform, and video conferencing involving students who are living in the whole region, teachers who are also spread, some from the capital city, some from the region. Now, the focus of this research program is on teachers' digital competency building, but understood not only as the handling and the management of the digital tools, but in terms of becoming a relevant component that serves a pedagogical purpose. Now, this coordination team has displayed a variety of strategies to accompany teachers in this digital competency development. And for example, we've had a multimodal teaching course, mentoring sessions with experts, course evaluation sessions based on feedback from students, training to learn how to use specific pieces of equipment, also academic events to promote debate and to share experiences within the academic community. Also, we have observed the courses in the Moodle platform. When we were 3 semesters into the program, we did a systematic observation of the courses in the Moodle platform, observing different attributes. And using as a reference Puente Dura summer model of technology integration, we realized that basically the whole courses could be grouped into 4 categories. A more basic level of appropriation of technology, which implied courses that use the platform simply as repositories. Substitution level was the second, where teachers were doing with technology, the same things they did before, like, using a few tools like questionnaires or occasional forum interactions, but without a very relevant role in the course design. Now, group 3 was more at an augmentation level with a deliberate intention of exploring possibilities of specific digital tools more systematically with some teachers' presence. And the 4th level group was the modification level, modifying practices, implementing, depending on technology a bit more, implementing hybrid courses with an important teacher's presence that meant tutoring students, developing resources, etc. So this tells us about an important variety of situations and different in the whole community of approximately 35 teachers. We're talking about 35 teachers. But diversity acted in favor of results, meaning that the less digitally competent were helping the most digitally competent, and teachers started getting involved in a conversation that meant rethinking the whole structure of the courses, and this unleashed a course redesign process that still goes on. And this iteration between teaching, getting feedback from students, discussing, redesigning, teaching again, etc., was extremely rich, and it got teachers engaged in a discussion about educational practices. Some of the conclusions about this process are that an educational process has been unleashed, an educational innovation process has been unleashed, where teachers have used this as a window of opportunity for an academic community to engage in a discussion about educational principles and educational practices, of course articulating with the different local realities. And then many tensions have arose inside this institution, also questioning and rethinking and redefining roles. Teachers claim for more technical support, better technological setups, and also what started as a conversation about technology and how to handle this tool ended up as a very rich discussion about educational principles, educational practices, redefining the role of the teacher, redefining the role of the students. Of course, when the moment came for these changes regarding pandemia, this group served as a reference, as a scaffold for the rest of the community in the region, as an initial springboard for this conversation to keep on going, this exchange to keep on going in a process that we have observed has become the building of a community of academic practice. And this is what I had to share so far. Hope you have enjoyed it.